Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Maddy. If your PC is slow or lag, don't worry. Today I will show you a few quick and easy steps to speed it up. No software needs, just simple built-in Windows trick. Let's start. Alright, first things, let's clear out all the junk files that slow your system down. Press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. You will see the run box pop up. Now type temp and press enter. It will open a folder full of temporary files. Just press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then press Shift plus Delete to remove them. If it says some files can't be deleted, just skip those, no worry. Now do the same thing again. Press Windows plus R key, but this time type %temp% and press enter. Now it's another folder full of extra junk files. Again select all using Ctrl plus A key, then Shift plus Delete to remove them. This can actually free up a lot of space and make your PC a bit faster. Next step, let's clean the C drive properly. Open this PC, right click on your local disk C and click Properties. Here you will see a button called Disk Cleanup, click it. Take everything like temporary files, thumbnails and recycle bins. Now wait a few seconds. Windows will check for unnecessary files. When the list shows up, take everything. Then press OK and delete files. Now all that useless junk is gone. The bonus point, if you wanna go a step further, you can also uninstall program you don't use. Just search for add or remove programs in start menu, check the list and remove anything that's slowing down your PC. And that's it guys, you just clean up your temp files and your C drive. Your PC should feel faster and smoother. And that's it guys, if the video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Maddy and drop a comment if you got any questions. I will see you in the next video.